Hello everyone, today I will be building my brand new computer, which will be my main computer for video editing. I needed to do this because I wanted to take advantage of my new 4K camera, and without a new PC I won't be able to do this editing. So this is for me another project that I will share with you guys. So what we have here is a complete PC parts. I have a full tower case down here. You will see all the unboxing on another video. What I have is anti-static bracelet as well, so I don't want to, break anything. I have is for the processor, I got an i7 6800K, which I will be overclocking. And for the cooling of that processor, I will use this Corsair water cool with 2 fans to cool it down. So this will cool it down even if it's overclocked. I have a DVD Blu-ray burner here. I have a 1300 watts fully modular power supply, so I can put a lot of video card if I want to, keyboard and mouse, put that aside. What I have is a GeForce GTX 980 Ti. This is a very good video card that will allow me to do 4K, and it's all very good for gaming. Actually, when you're building a video editing machine, it's actually the same spec that you will build for a gaming computer. So this computer cost me around 3 grand, so 3,000 Canadian. Shipped at home. It was shipped in about 3 days. I had all the parts at home. Also I have as a main, not a main drive, but that's the archive drive, is a 2 terabyte drive, traditional drive. This is a boot drive. It's a new SSD from Samsung, the 950 Pro. This SSD drive actually is 256 gig, and this will be the boot drive. This is 4 times faster than a traditional SSD drive. And this is for the OS and the software. I have 2 SSD drive here of 256 gigabyte as well. One is for reading the 4K file, the other one is for the rendering, so that's for the output file. I have 64 gigs of RAM, that is DDR4 2400. So this is what I have here. And I also have this motherboard, which is Asus X99 A2, which is a board that could overclock automatically, so it will take care of the things. It also have the PCI Express for my SSD drive here, my boot drive, and it have everything I needed. This is also a gaming motherboard usually. So I will do the unboxing of all the box. I will do a separate video for that, and I will continue with the build that I will film through the process with my son Zachary, which is watching me now. And so stay tuned.